Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different as we embark on a road trip from Uyo to Enugu. I have got my best friend here with me. Can you say hi?
Hi everyone, so good to be here.
Yeah, so we are hitting the road face in face. How are you feeling about this journey?
Wow, I feel happy, I feel excited.
Okay, so this is Ikot government area in Akwa Ibom State, and that is 4 Point by Sheraton Hotel. It's a very beautiful hotel.
Yeah, I learned a lot about this hotel from your last video.
I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did a
It's
video.
so beautiful.
It's a
Fine is a warrior.
Yeah, it's a lovely place and it's a very nice place for someone to be.
Hope you would take me there when next I visit Akwa Ibom.
Let me think about it.
Ah.
Okay,
Please
you know when I check the price of 4 Point by Sheraton, okay, if just for sightseeing, not
Maybe sightseeing.
because I learned that okay, when I find out there's swimming pool, you want to swim, it's like 5,000
I know big swing.
Okay,
Sightseeing is
so
fine.
sightseeing, fine. Okay, when next you visit, I will take you there.
Thank you already. It's always a great pleasure to explore new places, and the road from Uyo to Enugu, it should be beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It's very beautiful. I've traveled on this road before, and we are here again, especially this Christmas period.
Wow.
Yeah, most people will be traveling on this road. So before you travel on this road, you can as well watch this video to see what you will be embarking on. So, you are excited, right?
Of course, I'm happy.
Okay. So where are we now? Okay, we are in Ekpene to Umuahia road. This road is still under construction. The Ekpene is very okay. Yeah, the road is very smooth. And you know what is interesting?
What's that?
This road also plays a significant role in connecting communities and fostering development. Like with this road, you can connect to so many communities. This road connects 5 cities. That is Uyo, number 1, Ekpene, number 2, Umuahia, number 3, then Okigwe, number 4. Then you now enter Enugu, and this is the route that we are exploring. So, what are your thoughts on the importance of infrastructure like this road for regional development?
Well, good roads are like the veins of a region.
Yeah, exactly.
They facilitate transportation of goods.
You are very correct.
Good roads connect people.
Yeah.
They contribute to overall and economic growth.
Yeah.
The overall economic growth of a region.
Yeah, exactly.
So, a well-developed road network is very important for progress.
Yeah, and that is exactly what we are seeing. Like those places that I've mentioned to you, this route connects to those places. So here is Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. What do you think about Umuahia? Do you have any knowledge about Umuahia? I know you are very brainy. Yeah, so just tell me anything. What do you know about Umuahia?
Umuahia is the capital of Abia State.
Yeah, we all know that. Tell me something new.
And the governor is Alex Oti.
I know that too.
And they have good. They don't have good roads, but I think they are coming up because of the new government. So kudos to the government, and we are very happy to see and to know that a whole lot of development is happening in Abia State in general.
Yeah.
So God bless him, God give him more strength and more wisdom, himself and his cabinet, to push Abia State to a good place where they ought to be,
Yeah, this is Abia Tower. The Abia Tower is an identity landmark in Abia State, and we are entering Portharcourt Enugu Highway.
Wait, let me educate you small about Abia Tower.
Okay, my sabi, gist me, tell me.
So Abia Tower is the first structure that welcomes one into Abia State capital, Umuahia.
Okay.
Yeah, it has a certain reassuring air It announces its hospitality with a bold inscription, "Welcome to Abia, God owns it." Also, there are four of these inscriptions facing four different directions of the road, all written in bold white letters on a background of black metallic plate. I know, go close, you see the plates.
Okay.
The
Okay.
walls are painted in pink and light yellow colors, which glow with the translucent light overlooking the ground from the heights.
I don't used to take note of all this. So this is Okigwe.
Okay,
This is Okigwe. So have you been to Okigwe before?
of course. I have.
Okay. So tell me about Okigwe.
Okigwe is known for its rich cultural heritage and historical significance.
Okay.
The town is home to various notable landmarks and attractions. For instance, Okigwe Stadium,
Okay.
Okigwe Roundabout,
Okay. Yeah.
and the Mbari Cultural Arts Center. The people of Okigwe are predominantly farmers, they are traders too, and the town is well known for its abundant agricultural produce.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they produce palm kernel, rice, and cassava.
Okay. When is the best time to go on a holiday to Okigwe?
The best time to visit Okigwe is usually between November and February, when the temperature is cool and dry, like this festive period.
Okay.
However, if you prefer warmer weather and don't mind some rain, you can also consider visiting between March and May, or between August and October. It is important to know that during the raining season, which is from June to September, the area experiences heavy rainfall and flooding, which can make travel more difficult and may limit some activities, except you want to stay indoors.
Okay. Okay. So tell me about this highway that we are in. This is Portharcourt Enugu Expressway. What do you know about this road?
I'm very happy about this journey. I'm educating you, and
No, you are not educating me because I know, and that is why I'm asking. I'm
Okay.
asking you because I know.
oh, you're asking me from a place of knowledge.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Okay, for those that don't know, Portharcourt Enugu Expressway,
Yeah, do you know the time that it was constructed?
I think, am I correct? I think
Yeah, I should
in
have.
the late 70s, I
Oh.
think so.
Yeah, you are quite
Yeah.
correct, very correct.
During the Nigerian military regime.
Yeah,
Am I right?
yeah. It was constructed in the late 70s during the Nigerian military regime, and the route connect the country's 5 states. Like I mentioned this before, you know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I am happy to embark on this journey with you. Thank you for all the insights you have shared.
You're welcome.
Sometimes I will just pretend as if I know, but I'm also learning from you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, so we are getting closer to Enugu, and it's been an insightful conversation so far. Any final thoughts on the connection between roads, development, and the overall well-being of this region?
Yeah, well, as we've seen on this trip, good roads are the backbone of progress. They bring people together, they open up new horizons, and contribute to the prosperity of the region. Just imagine this route connecting 5 different states. So that's massive.
Okay, so it was really nice going on this trip with you, and yes, it's pretty nice, and I hope to have more trip with you.
Hallelujah.
Calm down now, but I mean it. I just hope to be having more of this
All right.
with you,
We'll explore
you,
together.
yeah, and you pay me,
We're exploring together.
you pay me, yeah,
Me and you.
you pay me,
I'll
pay
pay
me.
you, no worry.
I'm giving you free ride. So, and then you have it, our road trip from Uyo to Enugu, filled with scenic views and meaningful conversations.
If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comment section about this route. Have you ever been on this route? When will you be embarking on the journey? I hope you find this video helpful. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe and notification button below so you can be notified when we post our next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.